So for this next one, remember what we said. We said that in class, you're taking a cab, you have $1.75, it's a one-time fee, and then 65 cents per every mile, so plus for and. $10 is the money you have to spend. So on the left, what we're going to spend needs to be smaller than, see we approach the smaller side, smaller or equal to, because we're allowed to spend the $10. Now if you were to graph this, you can do a line Y10 horizontal because you replaced the Y spot with 10, and meaning that's going to be our maximum money she has. So we're going to be under it, and then we can plug in, if that was a Y, we could plug in and find another ordered pair, and so we get this other line. Don't pay attention to the graphing. This problem will not be on your quiz, but you should know how to set up the inequality, okay? Now for this bottom one, you should be able to set this one up. We've done a few like this in class. So if someone has a gift card, it's $16, because this one has two variables that you see in the original inequality. So it says that burritos are $10, so X means it's the amount of burritos, and tacos cost $2, so Y are tacos. Find combinations where she has to spend more than the value of the gift card. So the cost of a burrito, so 10x, because X is a burrito, plus the cost, $2 for every taco, Y. So the right side is the number of burritos and tacos that we're going to buy. And on the other side, it's the amount on the gift card. So what we're going to buy, they said, must be more than what's on our gift card. So what I'm circling right now is what I'm going to buy, and I head into the big sign. I head into the... What I'm going to buy is bigger than 16. So I'm going to buy in blue. I head towards the big side. It's bigger than 16. It's not or equal to, because you must spend more, it says, than the value of the gift card. So I found my intercepts. I found 1.6 and 8. So on the x-axis, I did a dot between 1 and 2. Y-axis, dot on 8. I drew a dotted line. I tested 0, 0 right here. And so when I plugged in 0, 0 for x and y, I asked myself, is 16 less than 10 times 0 plus 2 times 0? Is 16 less than 0? No. So I did not shade the side that 0, 0 was on because it was false. So I shaded the other side. Ordered pairs in the shaded region are solutions. So one of the solutions, an ordered pair that I found in the shaded region, was 2, 3. So I'll show you that one in, let's do green. So if we look at 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3 is right here. I'm doing a green dot where 2, 3 is. It's in the shaded region, so that ordered pair represents a solution. If X represents burritos and Y is tacos, this means I'm buying 2 burritos and 3 tacos. 0, 0 is right here. 0, 0 is not in the shaded region, so it's not a solution. And that would make sense because that would mean I'm buying 0x or 0 burritos and 0 tacos. So I'm spending no money, and they told us we have to spend more than $16. So that's how you do that one.